to invite Mr. Strasser, Gottfried, a journalist who had fortunately visited both part of Kashmir under India and Pakistan, and he seen very well what we are facing. So, 21st, it's up to you. Which language, if English is then better.
Yes, thanks for the invitation to the conference. And I must say, my profession as a teacher and my relation with Kashmir and the Kashmiris dates from, I can't remember, Naveen Khan, when you have been in my German class. He was my student, and I got involved with the whole problem of Kashmir and the Kashmiri people. And in 2000, I visited Pakistan Kashmir and Indian Kashmir, and I worked in Pakistan Kashmir for half a year after the earthquake in 2006. And I also was at the Kashmir conference in Islamabad. And somehow I'm saddened today because it's 15 years since my first contact, and I don't think that the situation has changed a lot. I don't want to elaborate on the impact of terrorism in South Asia, because you all know better than I do. I just want to tell you a few experiences I had. I mean, I'm personally hit by the terrorism because we had a program for vocational training planned in Kurdistan in Iraq. Everything was ready for signing. The Kurdish delegation was to come to Austria, and then IS turned up. So they run out of funds, they have a lot of refugees, etc. And 3 weeks ago, because somebody said before, we are very lucky that Austria has not been hit by terrorism problem yet. I hope we'll never be, but let me tell you, 3 weeks ago, one of my students didn't turn up for a class. I'm not mentioning the country where he comes from, but he got arrested because he wanted to go to Syria. So we are also hit by this. And if you are pessimistic, you might be even worse hit. So, I mean, if I had a recipe how we could get over that, I wouldn't be a simple teacher, I'd be president or something else. But as a teacher, I would say the first thing is education, education, education again. Because I worked in Iraq 3 years ago, and we made a vocational training for plumbers and electricians, European standard.